Dear viewers and followers, in continuation of what we started in the previous lesson about customer reports, today we will continue in this video some other reports related to customers or suppliers. After we talked about a customer statement, you can also request a customer statement report for several years. This is in case we need a statement that includes several years, after the closing of the financial years. Among the important reports is the Customer Balances Report. Where you can choose the main customer or supplier account. Of course, we always recommend choosing the date from the beginning of the fiscal year to a specific date. You can specify a condition: all customers, only debtors, only creditors, or customers who have exceeded the maximum balance limit. When you click the preview button, the balances of all customers or suppliers will appear within the specified conditions. The name of the customer or supplier, his debit or credit balance, the last debit and its date, and the last payment and its date will appear. Of course, you can click on the Fields List button to remove or display additional fields related to the customer or supplier. Such as contact numbers, address, Latin account name, etc. of customer card details. Of course, as we explained previously, you can rearrange the fields or change their dimensions to format the report appropriately. Settings can also be saved. Also, as in any report, you can right-click on any line to show some additional options, such as display the customer statement, customer card, or display the account card, etc. This is to facilitate moving to another report from within the same report without having to close the current report. Also available reports: Customer List Report. The account can be left blank to show a statement of all customers or suppliers, or the main account for customers, the main account for suppliers, or any other main account can be chosen to show the statement. You can also add a specific condition from the conditions of customers or suppliers. We can talk about how to add the condition in another video. After clicking on the preview button, we will notice the appearance of the name of the customer or supplier, according to the options selected, the balance, if any, and the currency of this account. As it has become known, you can click on the Fields List button to remove or display additional fields related to the customer or supplier. Then arrange them appropriately. You can also save settings for later use. Of course, you can share, print, or export the report in PDF or Excel format. Finally, I hope you liked the video and gained the desired benefit from it. Share it with your friends so that everyone can benefit.